Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks bringing you the daily Apple report for Tuesday, December 12th, 2023. But before I walk you through the charts, as usual, just want to encourage you to please click like if you haven't already, subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel, share the content if you would with friends and colleagues, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos just like this one. Daily analysis in the SPY and the Triple Q, that is the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 ETFs. Weekly analysis in the S&P 500 Index, the NASDAQ 100 Index, the Long Bond ETF, the TLT, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube. That is 8 a month that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near-term investor. We're always looking for at least 20% moves on those stock picks, and you can check out all of this for no cost for 5 days. We offer a 5-day free trial up front with a wickedstocks.com subscription. So sign up for wickedstocks.com, check it all out. If you don't like what you see within 5 days, you can cancel your subscription at no cost to you whatsoever. On with the charts. Before I actually going to jump into all the charts and talk about everything you're seeing on your screen right now, I just want to mention that last week we put out 2 stock picks, one on American Tower, the other one on Nutanix, and then just this week, Monday, one on Celsius Holdings. There's 3 good stock picks alone right there that are all still very relevant, tradable entities, tradable stock picks that you can see for free by checking out wickedstocks.com. You'll get it for 5 days, no cost. You'll even get the next stock pick that comes out on Thursday. So there you have it. Check out wickedstocks.com. This chart, once again, points to 2 key events. One is the settlement above. There's 3 key events here, really. The settlement above the mid-160s long-term channel resistance, now support 164.56 to 165.98. The retesting of that support area just a couple of months ago, coming off of that support and then closing above 183.04, all points to still maintaining a 233.07 structure, a longer-term objective that actually came into existence last May when we closed above the mid-160s. So a solid pullback support at 183.04 on the weekly chart. I don't know if we'll see that anytime soon. The answer to that is yes, if we were to close over the next few days below 189.12. This 189.12 formation, 2 to 3 week channel bottom, is in reach this week below 194.23. So 194.23 able to contain session weakness. Session strength. 194.23 is also, it's a tick off of an upside 5/8 Fibonacci over the last couple of days. And so if we were to close above 194.23, no longer anticipating 189.12 as a quick 3 to 5 day downside objective, and in fact closing above 194.23, I don't see a good reason to stay short Apple through the rest of the week. I think 196.45, the high settlement price from over the summer, would be in reach within 1 to 3 days. And over the following 3 to 5 days of closing above 194.23, I do think this 198.23 July high would be in reach. So within a full week of closing above 194.23, I think we could expect 198.23, where yes, we can tap out for a day, for a week, potentially into later December. But I do think that the 198.23 July high is likely to be violated. I don't see a long-term double top there. And once we close above 198.23, we are then quite likely within 3 to 5 months of reaching 233.07. I think we're probably within 3 to 5 months anyway above 183.04. So that covers the upside pretty well. Let's take a look at the downside. This is still the 3 to 5 day downside structure below 194.23, expecting 189.12. On the way down, we do have 191.45 as an intraday support level. That is the high settlement price from a few weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago, that actually held until last week when we pushed through it. So it is kind of the top of a consolidation formation or process that lasted for a couple of weeks. It can contain intraday selling pressures. And yes, if we break 191.45 today, we could test 189.12 intraday, where we can place a weekly low, possibly through the balance of December. So 189.12 is well suited for day traders, 3 to 5 day swing traders, and even 2 to 3 week swing traders. Because I think off of 189.12, we can rotate up to 198.23 by the end of December. And yes, if we were to close below 189.12, then I've got a 1 to 2 week downside objective in this 182.42 to 183.04 region. This descending channel top on the daily chart, once again on the weekly chart, 183.04, and that area does become a 1 to 2 week target if we close below 189.12. So in terms of our time frame through the balance of December, it is buying 189.12, anticipating 198.23, or selling a settlement below 189.12, then expecting 182.42. It's about as simple as that. And if we close today above 194.23, you can scrap any expectations over the next 3 to 5 days for yielding 189.12. And in fact, over that time frame, we should reach that 198.23 July all-time high. You know, I think that pretty much rounds it out for Tuesday's Apple. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to leave you with this chart. Check out wickedstocks.com for that American Tower, Nutanix, and Celsius holding stock picks over the last week and a half, each of which are 8 to 10 minute videos giving you detailed support and resistance areas, breakout indications for anywhere from 3 to 5 week to 3 to 5 month signals. I'm going to leave it at that for Tuesday's Apple Report. You have a great day.